My dear brothers and their lovely sisters, I hope you are all well and good. So, it's a new day, a new video. So, in today's video, I will be talking about all the new removed revamped plans from Airtel, Vodafone, Idea and Reliance Jio. Means all the telecom service providers and their new plans. I will be just talking about those. Airtel, Vodafone Idea, and Reliance Jio are the three major telecom service providers in India. To stay competitive with each other and to gain customers, these operators keep bringing new plans, while at the same time also phasing out older plans which are no longer relevant. Let's take a look at all the new removed and revamped plans from Airtel, Vodafone Idea, and Reliance Jio. Our first position is Airtel New Plans. Expansion of free data coupons to more prepaid plans. Airtel has introduced new free data coupons back in July with selective plans offering customers additional data at no extra cost. The company is now offering this offer to three plans: rupees 289, rupees 448, rupees 599. Under this offer, customers purchasing rupees 289 and 228 plans get two coupons of 1 GB with a validity of 28 days, whereas the 599 plan they get 4 coupons of 1 GB each for 56 days. That's really very bad. Previously it was I think 86 days or 84 days, now just 56 days. The benefit will only be made available to customers from recharges made from within the Airtel Thanks app. And now the best part, free data with chips and kurkure. Airtel and PepsiCo India have partnered together to provide customers with free data on every purchase of kurkure chips, uncle chips and Doritos. Purchasing a small will give you a 1 GB of data. The benefit can be redeemed only 3 times by the customer on a single number. It can be redeemed from within the Airtel Thanks app by prepaid customers. So at number 2, Vodafone new plans, revamped plans. New rupees 109, rupees 169 plans. Vodafone Idea has launched two new prepaid plans in the Delhi circle priced at rupees 109 and rupees 169. Both of these plans come with a validity of 20 days. That's it, just 20 days. Under this rupees 109 plans, the company offers its customers 1 GB of total data along with unlimited calling benefit and 300 complimentary SMSs. Apart from the plan offers customers free subscription to Z5 and to Vodafone Play services. It offers customer 1 GB of daily data, unlimited calls and 100 daily SMSs. So if you like all those OTT platforms in Z5 and all those, then you must go for Vodafone Idea plans. They are really awesome. But wait for the best part of Reliance. Reliance Jio new revamped plans. New rupees 499 777 plans. Reliance Jio has launched two new prepaid plans pricing at rupees 499 and rupees 777. Both these comes with complimentary Disney Plus Hotstar VIP for a year, which is priced at rupees 399. Under the 499 plans, the company provides its customers with 1.5 GB of daily data for 56 days, whereas under its rupees 777 plan, along with a 1.5 GB of daily data, provides its customers with unlimited Geo to Geo calls, 3000 off-net minutes for making calls to other networks and 100 daily SMSs. This plan comes with a validity of 84 days. That's good. Apart from the Disney Plus Hotstar benefit, the company provides its customers complimentary access to its own apps like GeoTV, JioSavan and more. But guys, please don't believe this. JioSavan, they are not giving free subscription. In JioSavan, they are saying to get a Prime membership or a premium membership for downloading all those sorts of music. So I am very disappointed with JioSavan at least. But GeoTV is really good. So I would like to just say one last thing, or you can take it as a suggestion, that choose a plan which suits you, like a VFM plan, value for money plan. Like here, Jio is providing 499 777, and they are also giving Disney Plus Hotstar. That's really good. Same goes for Vodafone, but I think Airtel is lagging behind right now. So guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, send this to your friends. Thanks for watching guys, and please stay connected.